What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts, Rc-Xtreme, down to gravel pit. Sunday evening, around 6 p.m. Been wrenching basically all day and made a huge improvement on the beast, the 12S car, and got a Max 5 a couple of weeks ago for the Traxxas XRT. So that car is now finally put back together. So I made a new EC mount for it, and it's the same stuff on it besides the M2c Racing's chassibrace and their servo mount, running their extended hex, the pistons, the motor mount, the twin center shaft, and also running WFO's front and rear 775 T6 aluminum carriers. Of course, Thunder Rose fans. So gonna start out slow because it hasn't been too much bashing lately. You all know the reason. So I'm gonna do my best to keep this car in one piece and see. Well, what was that? Sounded like some metal stuff. Well, the steering like night and day. Power wise, I'm not gonna say day and night, but definitely definitely made an improvement. Yep, definitely. Some kind of hesitation. It's quite poor gearing. Running 32, I'm gonna go down to the 30. The packs ain't the best, so to speak. See if we can do the jumping over here now. Well, it's impossible more or less to floor it. That could be cool. Maybe. So nasty. Impact bar, no shit. Finally, some proper bashing with it. If I only could smooth this part down here out a little bit. Too steep. See what we can do over here. What a car. Doesn't feel like been gone away for years. Okay. Since I'm running no monster lipos, I'm not gonna go too hard on them now, so it seems like the car is in one piece, guys. Before I quit, just want to say thank you for all the support. I do my best to put out some bashing sessions. I mean, the Max 5 did a major improvement on the power and speed. You know, normally you skip the last jump, but you know what they say. First of all, I need to see if it's possible. It's too rough over here, way too rough. Or there are some spare parts available. Sand everywhere. Okay, that didn't sound good. No. Well, there's nothing wrong with the spur gear. Maybe the smaller one there, or one of the diffs. Regardless, I'm nervous and warm. I'm gonna go down in gearing, that's for sure. Okay. I missed them at home. Well, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.